Just want to see my fuel economy with the lifted truck. All right, we got the front out. Not lifted very much, but look at that. I don't think I sacrificed any fuel economy at all. Granted, I am babying it. I'm not trying to waste any of the gas, but I am clearly above 21 miles per gallon right now. Been cruising around 65 to 75 miles an hour. I want to say I've been about 70 miles plus most of the time, but okay. Just want to share, I'm in the 2020 Tacoma Sport 4x4, raised about 2 inches, and yes, it can happen. I've been using that little guide bar down there to gauge my fuel economy, and I've been driving about 70 miles an hour average on this road trip, and I got stock rims, stock tires, and I just started paying attention to this, and I realized I am now at 22 miles per gallon for a truck that's been rated for 18 city, 20 highway. So it can be done. In fact, I can probably get this to 23 or 24. Anyways, you taco fans out there, and those of you who don't think it's possible, you just got to learn how to drive your truck. The little bar, the blue bar at the bottom right there, is a very good way to learn how to drive your truck on the highway anyways. So yeah, if you're looking for a maximum fuel economy, good luck. So far on this trip, let me see if I can, yeah, I've drove 83 miles, so over an hour and a half. So if that's something you think is cool, then welcome to the taco family. So just another update, I'm now at 22.5. That's kind of where I've been averaging, 22.4 to 22.6. And I forgot to mention earlier that I had the AC on. It was actually on full blast for most of the ride, but as you can see, the shade is coming out now, so I turned it down. But this is still reality for those of you that want to be petrol conscious out there. Oh, there we go. I am at 108 miles, almost 2 hours of driving. So you could do the math there. I don't typically get above 2,000 RPMs this entire trip, unless I'm climbing a hill like I am right now. Alright, just an afterthought. I am driving through the city right now. Fuel economy is going down, but I do want to say that in the city, when I drive the way I like, I get about 16 miles a gallon. If I baby it, I'm sure I can get that 18, maybe 19, but just keep in mind these numbers are if you really pay attention to how you're driving the truck. Alright guys, have a good one.